morning, guys. It's around 10 o'clock and it's our first night back in Bangkok. It's weird to be back. It's kind of good, kind of stressful because of, it's still Bangkok. We have some things to do today. Julia's getting a permanent hair straightening. You seem stressed out.
Like always be late. Yeah, like always was for this.
Yours. I don't see how this is my fault. Okay, so we finally found it after driving around a little bit. We are about 7-8 minutes late, as always. But it usually works out, so hopefully they haven't cancelled their booking or anything. Are you excited?
Yeah.
She's excited, guys. How are you feeling? Got some free coffee while Julia's getting her consultation over there.
Oh yeah, this is.
But usually
This is okay.
is a good way to keep me here and keep me happy. So how do you feel?
Excited
What did they say?
that my hair is really damaged and that I have to take better care of my hair.
But they can fix it? I mean, they can actually straighten it?
Yeah, they can straighten it. They say like today will be really nice, but when I shower and everything won't be that great anymore. We get dry, but I think.
So it's paid for and she started. So my life for the next 3 to 4 hours will be in the sofa here. Just hanging around. At least I have a nice view. There they're taking an after picture of Julia. I hope they have a before picture as well. So we got Julia back from the hairdresser right now and this is so fascinating. Guys, go check her out. She's a completely different person. How do you like it? Look at this straight hair. I'm not sure I should touch it. I'm afraid it falls off.
It's fascinating, I have to admit.
Wow. Honestly, guys, I mean, I'm gonna put a before after picture here right now, but this is so crazy. And how long until you can go in the sea?
It's like 2 weeks, no salt water or pool. Like, what is it?
No pool?
No.
Chlorine. So you can't swim.
Yeah.
That was Julia getting her hair done. Amazing. I guess we're just gonna go head back now. Good morning, guys. We have finally decided to do it. Today, we're buying a drone. So as you heard, we were right back in the middle of the Bangkok traffic. It's impossible to say anything or hear anything. But the point was, we're buying a drone. We're really excited about this. We've been like pondering this question for a while, whether we want one, whether we need one. Technically, if we can afford one. Technically, I think the answer to these questions are, we do want one. Do we need one? Technically not, but it's nice. And can we afford one?
Technically not.
Technically not, but it's nice. So we're inside the CM Discovery shopping mall right now, and at least from our research, it seems like they had an official DJI store here. That was a lot of elephant trousers. There's a lot of electronic things around here, which is a good sign, but we can't seem to find like drones or DJI stores, except for now, there is a DJI store. Wow, look at this beast. Guys, we're getting this one. The Metri 600. The best travel drone out there. I'm pretty sure. We are actually looking for the DJI Spark. This tiny little baby here. Look at the difference in size. Mavic Pro, Spark. It's tiny. So the white one is definitely more beautiful. I think we will go for this color, don't you think? Julia's already off drone duty. You're probably just gonna crash it. How excited are you? From a scale from 1 till 10?
Maybe 8.
8? How excited do you think I am?
20.
We're just having a sit down because it was a little too much excitement for us.
For one of us.
For at least for me. I needed a break, guys. Needed a break. So the Spark costs 21,000 baht for the Fly More combo. Then you get everything included. with a controller, with shoulder bags, extra batteries and everything, so it seems like an okay deal. And at least this is an authorized store rather than just a retailer, which is quite nice and trustworthy. You get like a warranty. At least we get something back for the taxes.
We do.
So it's actually cheaper than we think. This is a girl who's ready. This is a guy who's not.
Yeah, so we would buy the DJI Spark.
Yeah, now we have 1 hour to kill. Before we can get the drone, they're just updating the firmware. They didn't have tax refunds, which is just slightly annoying, so I guess we don't actually get anything back. But okay, we survive without. Alright, so we're just gonna head off now, and we're looking forward to going back there now. And we're back in the store. Hoping we can pick it up now. Here it is, a beautiful box.
What did you get?
We got a DJI Spark and a Christmas set. Unfortunately, you're not allowed to fly a drone in Bangkok, so we have to wait until we can test it. But that's okay, only a few days and we can test this baby. Till then, the journey continues tomorrow.